Hey, what's up guys? My name is Priyank and today I'm back with another video. I'm here yet again for another FPS Swari and this time it's at Farzi Cafe. So let's not waste any time and let's show you what this place is exactly like. A quick notice or a update about everything bloggers is that you all know that Sanskara is not in town, she's in Bangalore, and that's the reason why I am not talking about, I'm taking opinions of other bloggers because they know more about food. You all know that I'm a tech blogger, so it's better that I ask them for a food opinion rather than me speaking about it. So let's ask some other bloggers what they feel about this place. I've got Karan Kaul with me over here. He runs an amazing blog. Let's ask him what he liked out here.
The dish that I liked in particular were the prawns which came with Nimbu Mirchi air. I think that was a really fantastic concept, you know, with the Nimbu Mirchi foam, I would say. So that was something I really liked.
Okay.
And
And you were telling me about the hot dog kind of thing.
yeah, I didn't kind of enjoy it so much. I mean, yeah, it was good, but the mayo on top of it seemed to be a little off.
What about the keema part in it?
The keema part was really nice, you know, but then as an overall construct, you know, I didn't really enjoy it so much because of the mayo. I don't know what crisps came along with it, but it seemed to kind of, you know, sour the whole thing. I think it was kind of like their take on the Sulli keema, but I don't think it was executed that well.
I have Nishant from Indie Opus. His Facebook page is amazing. You should totally check it out. Let's ask him what he liked.
Hi guys, my name is Nishant from Indie Opus. Well, we've come here for the Farzi Feast. We had a lot of starters. I can say there was this chili fritters, which was very nice. It's a veg thing. There was chicken tangri kebab, which was actually very good. Like the way it is marinated, the way it is made. Something which you really definitely need to come and try here. And
What's so good about the chicken tangri kebab that really made you like it?
The marination, as I mentioned initially, like the way whole the flavor is coming up, and also the presentation and the way we are all partying tonight over here right now. I didn't want to sit down and eat something, so I just grabbed one and I was just roaming around with it.
That's awesome. Thank you. I have Afreen with me from Dress, Eat, Travel, Repeat. Let's ask her as well about what she liked and what she didn't.
I tasted this shawarma biryani. I don't know, it sounds a little, oh, what is that? Is it shawarma? Is it biryani? But it's a combination of where you have shawarma taste and ingredients to it.
So was it mutton or chicken?
It was mutton.
Okay.
So mutton shawarma biryani. It tasted really good, like typical Mughlai flavors to it. It smelled nice. It tasted yummy. It's something that you should must try.
What's the dish that you did not like?
So the second dish which I did not like would be the mozzarella bites. It was a little cheesy. It had a bit of potatoes which didn't really taste like it had something to it. It was too chopped so that I couldn't really feel it wasn't able to enhance the taste of each of these. So all I could taste was the cheese and the dip.
So the dip didn't help the dish?
No, the dip was not going with the dish, to be very honest. It was a little sour and spicy, whereas the mozzarella bites were a little too cheesy. So it wasn't balancing the two. So I wouldn't say. You can just miss it whenever you come in. You have to try it.
Thank you. Okay, I have Mihir with me for the love of food. He was there in our previous video also. So let's ask him what he liked.
I like the bisi bele baat. So I'm vegetarian, so I'll talk about vegetarian food that I eat. had. I like the Bisibele bath.
Okay.
It was nice. So if I compare it, if you like dal khichdi, you're definitely gonna like it. So it was excellent. The second dish that I liked was wok tossed vegetables with dhania kulcha. So kulcha was soft and fluffy, excellent. And even the vegetable with the peanut-based chutney was excellent with peanut-based sauce. That was.
So would you
excellent.
recommend these two dishes? Out of these, which one would you recommend?
I would recommend if you like dal khichdi, definitely go for that bisibele bath. If you like vegetables, then try that vegetable and dhania kulcha.
All right. Thank you so much, Mihir. You guys heard it from the experts of food blogging industry that what is good and what's not. As far as I'm concerned, I really like the music that the DJ was playing tonight. So, like, if you love music and you want to come to this place for music, it's really good. And the ambiance, I would say that it's okay. It's on the dark side. But if you like that, some people love it and some people don't. Frankly speaking, I really don't like it. So it's all right. I mean, I had a good time. That's what matters, right? If you like this video, guys, give it a like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.